Nozzle prints great. Haven't had any flaws. And that comes in the 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, and 0.8. Stop replacing worn out brass nozzles. Get yourself the hardened steel. They're available in multiple sizes. This is the 0.4 replacement hot end. Slides right in to the bamboo, replaces super easily. Going to take this boot off. Boots off. Going to pop this clip and the other clip. Be able to take our hot end right out, switch in the new hardened steel hot end, which fits right into the bamboo perfectly. Reapply your clips. Replace your rubber boot. And resume printing.